Now, really and truly now, see? This madman, has gone into where sources that tell me says Dancehall Skilla, me want you to make sure so the people them see this, because this madman I walk up and down in a sentence be this. You see what I say? With a knife. And him a do this for days now. You see where the police station there? Right across the road. Remember no is a madman this, and him a walk up and down in the street with public, with people a walk up and down there. So I say, I know enough people afraid to even pass him. And like him just a walk just so the man have a knife in his hand, is a madman. If that man kill or hurt anybody at all, pitney, baby, man, woman, nothing now come out of it, Nothing now come out of it. And this, you mean to say that, it really, you have to look on things, The station is just right across the road. I mean, me know me not blind. Me not blind. You know me I say to you? But I don't know. Me not understand really. You see me I say, you listen to me, listen me good. You see, for the people them, we love them life. So no see him. If I down the road, the shop the won't have to go, or supermarket, nobody go. You see me? Even if you have to take a taxi just to drive past him, because I tell you, if that man hurt somebody because of the insanity plea, nothing now come out of that. You see me? And even if something come out of it, you're going to lose your life just to prove a point. It don't make no sense. You see me? I only hope that the necessary authorities do something about this. Cause really and truly, yo. You see me? For somebody, I really and truly look for me and say, yo, Skilla, look at this. Because this is bad and so forth. Me really and truly, me have to really and truly give the word out for the people them as a helping shout out. You get what I say to you? Just to make sure that some people can be aware that this thing are really happening. Alright, so all who, the necessary authorities, the person that is in control of people that is walking the street, that is insane and open to see this video, right? And do something about it before it is too late. You understand? So big up on yourself. You see me I say? And as always, you don't know the thing go. If you're new to my channel and if you need to know more what I go on, you have to click the subscribe button. You want to link me, you don't know, so you look for the Dancehall Skilla. You see me? On Insta, Facebook, it's always there. You see me I say? My name is Skilla and that is Dancehall Skillas Entertainment.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.